Hi everyone and welcome to racex.com. Today, we'll show you how to place an order on our website, where you can find the best motorcycle accessories and much more. Let's get started. First, open your preferred browser. If you already know the name of the product you want to buy, you can search for it directly on Google. For example, type product name Racext and click on the first result. Once you've found the desired product on Google, click on the link that will take you directly to the product page on racext.com. On the product page, you can read the detailed description, check customer reviews, and if you're ready to purchase, select the desired quantity and click on Add to Cart. If you encounter any problems while searching for the product or during the purchase process, feel free to contact us via WhatsApp through the button, or you can find our number in the contact section of the website. We'll be happy to assist you with your search and purchase. At the end, proceed to checkout and fill in your shipping information. If you want, you can also order with PayPal. Just click the button and the PayPal option will appear. Thank you for choosing RaceX to improve your vehicle's performance. If you encounter any problems or have any questions, do not hesitate to contact us via email or WhatsApp. You will find all our contact details at the bottom of the website. Thank you for watching and happy tracking of your order. If you found the video helpful, remember to like and subscribe to our channel to stay updated on all our news.